Hey guys, Zar here. Hope all is well. It's 10:45 a.m. We've had two trades already this morning after the open of New York, and watching the Dow again. I've had two trades on the Dow, one long, one short, and now I'm going to watch. Let's go back to the Three Sisters, shall we? And take a look at what's happening here. Okay. We've got some synchronicity now in terms of structure. We had some serious divergence a little bit earlier on. So all of these three are bottoming now. You can see I used these zones for structural justification earlier on for these last trades. And the videos beside this one. Okay, watching now. Impulse down, guys, corrective up, impulse down, corrective up. Let's take a look at the power grid. So you can see we're rejecting here on the Dow. Let's take a look at the S&P. Rejecting again on the S&P and NASDAQ. Yeah, more or less, guys. We got a support zone here from the open. It's a very key zone for this session only, of course, because it was formed on the last candle of the pre-market, and then of course the big candle on the open, and that does matter. I probably didn't explain that very well, but I'm sure you can probably figure it out. All right, here's what we're looking at. So I take a long 35 points here, Dow short 35 points there for a total of 70 points, and now looking for a continuation. Watching the Three Sisters again. Guys, here looking to go short again right here on the flip. If this candle flips itself, so 1 minute candle, I'd be looking for just 30 points on this one. Shouldn't say just, that's pretty sizable. Risking 20. Here we go. Not yet. Waiting for that flip. Patience. Here we go. Okay, no go yet. Not triggered in. Gonna watch this closely. Waiting for that flip. The beauty of it is if it doesn't happen, there is no trade. We just don't get triggered. I just don't get triggered in. Put you on pause in the meantime here, guys. Okay, so as you can see, very seriously rallying here. I'm going to delete this order for now. And I'm going to show you this. Look at this. Really very orderly pullback at 10:49, call it 10:50 a.m. Right back to VWAP and slightly beyond for the NASDAQ. Almost tapping VWAP, really functionally tapping VWAP on the S&P, and then falling short in the Dow. Looking to short now, guys. Dow. Let's go back to the power grid. It's not live, guys. I'm going to tell you when my order goes live, and it's not live yet. I'm still watching the Three Sisters, as always, on a different monitor, right? So I'm watching this while I'm talking to you on this screen. Fortunately, I can't show you both at the same time. So that's not the way the software works. One minute chart here, guys, on the right hand side. Still going higher. I like it, actually. I like what's happening here. Here we go. Sell stop, guys. Live order. If I see this thing break itself now. No, not yet. I want it to break the prior candle. As a matter of fact, this body, this wick-free body that you see here, I need more of a confirmation on this one because I'm seeing how strong this buying is. And so that is not live yet. I will tell you when. This is the dance, guys. Got to be nimble and flexible, right? Very interesting price action today. Let me show you again. Orderly. We've now officially tapped and surpassed VWAP on the S&P. So this is a concerted buying effort by all participants here. Doesn't mean everybody wants to buy versus sellers all the way along here. But the net result of the buying and selling behavior is in fact up. Right? Buyers are in control right now for this moment. That's all that means. Watching. Order is now on the prior candle. Still 15 seconds left in this candle. And I'm watching the three sisters right over here. 1, 2, 3. Rejecting now. Here we go, guys. 5 seconds left. Sell stop, guys. Sell stop. Live. Right now. Right now. And I'm in. Just had an execution problem on my platform. I had to sell at the market. All right, so I got in late, but that doesn't matter. The idea, you saw what happened here. Watching very closely now, and I'm looking for 35 points, guys. 35 points here, and risking only 16. This is a big trade here. Yeah, my order didn't get executed properly here. That rarely happens, but that's neither here nor there. You saw the idea. That was only about 3 points off. That's not bad. Watching now, looking for 35 points. I'm going to make that 30 points, guys, and I'll explain why. I want to keep it inside of this pivot. Ready? Patience now. It's the trend continuation trade. I'll show you the three sisters. Rejection wick right at VWAP on the S&P, something similar above VWAP on the Nasdaq, and now here we go on the Dow. Patience, guys. Talking to myself. Self-talk is a very big part of how I manage things here. Just want to make it clear that when I'm saying those things, it's strictly for me. I will never tell anybody else, to be patient, although I recommend it highly if it's under your control. Patiently staying with the idea. The three sisters still faltering on these two. Need a nice big push here, guys. Looking for 30 points. Three sisters. 1, 2, 3. Firming up just a little bit here. That will not help the trade. Trend continuation trade, guys. It's not a zone breaker or a zone reversal. Prices are kind of central, looking to push down again after this impulse wave down. Zigzag correction up, rejection wick, looking to push down. With the support at the time of the other sisters, right? So the three sisters in total. Always looking for that confluence. Doesn't mean it's going to work out. There are no guarantees here. But these will typically have a high win rate. Today might be the exception. Tightening my stop to 15 points, guys. 15 points. I think we're going to get stopped out on this one. Some fresh buying coming in. That's okay. And still alive, but I think someone's going to get hit for sure. I'm seeing the 3 6, and we're out, guys. So this will be a loss, 15 points. And we had 2 winners for 70, so one for 35, another for 35 for 70 points, and now a loss for 15 points. Thank you for being with me, guys. We're off to a good start this week. So far, very nicely green, and we'll be back later. I'm pretty sure, given the movement that I'm seeing here today. With my luck, this will just drive all the way down now and hit targets, but that's okay. You got to protect the downside. Have an amazing day, guys. Thanks for clicking the like button. We will talk to you soon. Take care.